The Cadillac Motorhome concept is envisioned as a complete redefinition of mobile luxury, blending the brand's iconic craftsmanship with futuristic technology. This vehicle is not just about getting from one place to another, it is designed to be a fully functional living space that offers the comfort of a high-end home combined with the mobility of an advanced electric vehicle. Drawing inspiration from Cadillac's other forward-looking designs, it incorporates sweeping lines, sculpted surfaces, and a striking presence that ensures it stands out on any road or campsite. It promises to embody the same refinement found in the brand's flagship sedans and SUVs, while introducing new possibilities in terms of space and functionality. Inside, the motorhome focuses on openness and light, creating a lounge-like atmosphere rather than a cramped travel cabin. Large panoramic windows invite natural light to flood the space, while an expanding sidewall system increases the interior footprint when parked. The design team has also envisioned a rooftop deck area that can be deployed for open-air relaxation, dining, or even stargazing. Every detail is thought out to create a seamless transition between traveling and living, allowing passengers to enjoy a true home-away-from-home experience without sacrificing style. The driving experience, or more accurately the riding experience, is imagined to be fully autonomous. Cadillac has hinted that the concept will incorporate Level 5 autonomy, allowing the vehicle to navigate highways, cities, and rural areas without any human intervention. This means passengers can relax, work, or socialize during the journey, transforming travel time into productive or leisure time. The AI-driven navigation would handle everything from route optimization to adjusting driving style based on weather and road conditions, while advanced safety systems constantly monitor the surroundings. Under the sleek exterior, the Cadillac Motorhome is expected to be fully electric, in line with the brand's ongoing shift toward zero-emission vehicles. While Cadillac has not released official technical data, their current EV lineup gives clues about what to expect. Considering that the Escalade IQ delivers up to 465 miles of range and supports 350 kilowatts DC fast charging, it is reasonable to anticipate that the motorhome could offer competitive or even higher capabilities, especially given the demands of its size and luxury features. This would enable long-distance travel without frequent charging stops, making it practical for extended road trips. In terms of performance, the concept is likely to balance power and smoothness rather than focusing solely on speed. Cadillac's electric powertrains are already known for delivering instant torque and refined acceleration, and this motorhome would be no different. It might not aim for sports car quickness, but a confident and quiet ride, even when fully loaded, would be essential. Adaptive air suspension and active ride control could ensure comfort on a variety of terrains, from smooth highways to uneven country roads. Charging convenience will play a major role in its usability. Fast charging capability would be a must, potentially allowing the battery to replenish a significant portion of its range in under an hour. Integration with Cadillac's connected ecosystem could make finding, reserving, and paying for charging sessions seamless. Solar augmentation could also be considered, helping power onboard systems when stationary for extended periods, which is especially beneficial for off-grid camping. The interior would be a showcase of Cadillac's dedication to luxury. Expect premium materials such as sustainable wood, hand-stitched leather, and high-quality metals. Modular furniture could adapt to different needs, transforming from a lounge during the day to sleeping quarters at night. Smart climate control, ambient lighting, and immersive audio would be part of the package, ensuring every journey feels like a high-end retreat. Technology integration would be another defining aspect. The motorhome could feature wrap-around displays, augmented reality navigation, and AI-driven personal assistants capable of controlling lighting, climate, entertainment, and even scheduling stops based on passenger preferences. Voice control and gesture recognition would make interaction intuitive, while over-the-air updates would ensure the vehicle stays current with the latest software improvements. Safety would remain a top priority, with a combination of radar, lidar, and high-resolution cameras providing 360-degree awareness. Automated emergency braking, collision avoidance, and adaptive cruise control would be enhanced by full autonomy. In addition, a reinforced battery protection system and advanced crash structures would offer peace of mind to both passengers and operators. The market positioning of this vehicle would almost certainly place it in the ultra-luxury segment. Pricing would reflect both its advanced technology and Cadillac's premium craftsmanship, likely making it a competitor to high-end motorhomes and luxury yachts on wheels. Its target audience would be individuals and families who value comfort, exclusivity, and the freedom to travel without compromising on lifestyle. As of now, the Cadillac Motorhome remains a concept, with no confirmed production schedule or price. Its reveal serves more as a statement of intent, showing how Cadillac imagines the future of luxury travel. The company's EV strategy and ongoing innovations in autonomy suggest that if demand and technology align, a production version could emerge within the next decade. Ultimately, the Cadillac Motorhome concept offers a tantalizing glimpse into a future where